All right, yo, I'm picking up my phone. I woke up this morning. I was like, yo, I have nothing to do today. What should I do? It's currently 10 a.m. and we're about to go to Ovo Ottawa. I called my boy. He wasn't working and we're just like, fuck it. Let's go to Ottawa. About to hop in the car, drive 4 hours and go to the store. Apparently they have the Canada OG Owl hoodies, t-shirts. They did have rugs, but I think they sold out. Anyways, all right, so Ovo Ottawa, it opened at the Reader Center this past weekend. I'm currently 4 hours away from the mall and it's currently 10:30 now. And we just about to drive there, head there. I think the mall closes at 7. So we'll see. We're probably gonna get some food on the way. Who knows where else we might stop. But you guys see we got the OG Owl on today. Stony pants with the Air Forces, of course, and not to mention the D-squared hat because this is my new favorite hat right now. Anyways, I'm about to go pick up my boy, the guy who had the $10,000 collection. In the last video, we're about to go pick him up, and then we're heading straight to OVO. This is very last minute. I just thought, fuck it, you know what? I'm not doing anything. Might as well make the most out of today. So, without further ado, let's hop in the whip and head to the store. All right, so quickly just packed my OVO bag with the wallet, keys, all that stuff. Got some water, and we got the Checks Over Stripes hoodie, of course. October 1st, stay tuned. So we just pulled up to my buddy's crib and we're just gonna vlog the trip, see how it goes. You guys see what we going on in the back. You know, didn't pack too much. We on our way and I'm gonna see y'all guys. All right guys, first stop on the way to Ottawa. We're like what, how long out? Hour and a half?
Yeah, hour and a half.
Yeah, probably like an hour and a half. We're just about to get some food, take a piss. We're in like the middle of nowhere, McDonald's right now. We're just picking up food. Chickens already know. Hold up. Through with the food vlog. Hopefully they give me a nice toy in there. The Travis Scott toy. Unfortunately, we do not get the Travis Scott meal in Canada, so we had to get the Happy Meal. Big L's, big L's. So we got that Hasbro Gaming McDonald's unboxing. Shit's lit. Yeah, you turn it on.
5 minutes later.
Oh! Be there around 3:30, 3:50. We'll check in with you guys when we get there. Made it into Ottawa. We're currently 10 minutes away from the Reader Center, so I'm gonna go park up the car when we get there. If you can see in front of me, we got rocks. OVO, gonna get a better shot of it now. Yeah, we out here. As you can see, check out the sign behind me. OVO rocks on the side of the Reader Center. Shit's crazy. There it is. So 4 hours later, we outside. We about to head in now, park up the car. As you can see, the car's right here and parking's just around there. So we about to head in and show you the store. Here's the mall. It's actually pretty nice. Lego store, Root store. Alright, so we're really out here. We're looking for OVO now. Yo, give them a thoughts on the mall. Like, do you think it's a nice mall?
I mean, the stores.
I mean, we can't compare it to Yorkdale, but
nah, nothing's like Yorkdale.
yeah, nothing. All right, I think OVO's upstairs, so we're gonna go up. Yo, so we're currently lost as fuck. This mall is like insanely confusing. We're about to go ask someone, or maybe we'll stay looking. We'll see. So there it is, guys. Hold on. Canada OG Owls. That's what we're here for. We about to go in. All right, y'all, here it is next to Apple, just like the Eaton Center. Pretty big, actually. No lineup, which is awesome. We'll see what we can get. Yep. All right, y'all, so we just got 2 Canadas. Display case, got some pins, stickers, hats. Pretty much the usual you'd see at all the stores. Yo, if you guys remember my last video, I really wanted these. They got a full restock on all of the iridescent stuff. Even the Gucci Polar Tech. Here's the OG Owl, man. What a lot of people came out here for. They have a lot in stock. As you can see, keep your distance.
Can't use it though.
So here we got all the couches with the marble, everything lined up with October's very own, the wood. And look at all these change rooms. Even got the mirror right here, which is sick. Super dope vibes. All the garment dyed stuff.
even the new cargos. Awesome pieces. My buddy's checking out. We both got the OG owls. It's only one per customer though, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. As you can see, we secured the bag. That was it. That's a wrap on OVO Ottawa. I hope I got enough footage for you guys. No D squared. Only exclusive was really those OG Canada owls. I'll show you the hoodie when we get to the car. You guys have seen it many times before, but I'll see you guys in a bit. I want to give a huge shout out to Ottawa for showing mad love. As you can see, we came through. We got a lot of OG Canada owl hoodies. We're about to hit up some stores, so I'll show you the rest right now. Alright, yo, so we're currently at Minimal. As you can see, we're in the change room. They actually have some Chinatown market here. It's like this CNN playoff with the most trusted bootleg. Look at this. Probably gonna grab up this in a large. We don't have this in Toronto, so might as well go grab that. Oh, that's a wrap. Bag secured. Got to go out for dinner. So you know what? We're gonna continue vlogging, show you guys what's good in Ottawa. Like I was saying earlier, we're gonna head to this place called Lansdowne. It's a pretty nice area in Ottawa from what I've heard. So we're probably gonna go there, grab a bite to eat before we head back to the 6. Alright guys, so we're just doing a little food vlog. We at Jack Astor's right now, man. We chilling. Just got back from the Rito Center. It's kind of cleaned up, but after this, there's not much else to do left tonight in Ottawa. We're probably gonna go check out the Parliament building. We're about to see what's up at Trudeau's ends. Just leaving Jack Astor's. Yo, what are your thoughts on the dinner?
It was okay.
It was just okay, eh? All right. I didn't think it was too bad. Anyways, check out the vibes out here. This is Lansdowne. This is where the soccer team plays as well. And there's a car about to get hit. Anyways, it's pretty lit out here. Really good vibes. But yo, I think that's a wrap on Ottawa. What do you think?
Not that bad. Obviously not Toronto.
Not Toronto. Definitely not the 6. But I ain't hating on the Ottawa youths. The people out here in Ottawa are so nice and friendly. But definitely come to Toronto. Anyways, yo, we about to head to the Whip. And we're going to show you guys the Parliament building. Kind of like the White House of Canada. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Take that money out, my guy. We headed to this burger and shake place. It's like one of the best burgers and shakes in Ottawa. So we're gonna get a shake just because we already had dinner, as you guys already saw. But we'll let you know how the shake is. Alright, yo, we out here at Burgers and Shakes. Best burgers and shakes in Ottawa. You guys see we got the shakes on deck. Shit's fire. We got Puzzle Play Preston in the back, man. Today's been a crazy day. Shout out to everyone for tuning in, watching, showing love, showing support. But yo, we heading back to Toronto, 4 hours out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
What is going on, guys? It is the morning after the drive home from Ottawa, and as you guys can see, here are the Canada hoodies. Beautiful quality, one of my favorites. So that was that, man. I hope you guys did enjoy the vlog. I hope it was entertaining for you guys. Did a little shopping around Ottawa. Went to OVO Store. Hopefully got enough content there. But thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for all the love. Again, Checks Over Stripes hoodies are dropping October 1st along with all these steals on the website. So link down in the description below for that. It's been a crazy 24 hours. But thank you guys for coming along with me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.